Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed John Briscoe. Teacher Rose, Teacher Esgreen, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons.
Hello kids, welcome back to our online class. Our topic for today is the sound of letter R. R, 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 R. R for rabbit, rabbit. R for rainbow, rainbow. R for rocket, rocket. Kids, let's sing this song.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, it's time for us to do our activity. Be ready. Our first topic is match the pictures that begin with the letter R. R sound. R for rabbit. R, rabbit. Great job. Next one. R for ring. R, ring. Very good, kids. Look at that one. All the words that begins with the letter R. R, R. Now let's proceed to our next page. You're going to trace the big R and the small r. So all you're gonna do is put your pencil up in the going down and then curve, then down. Great job. Next. Okay, great job. Very good. Another one. Curve and down. Straight line down, curve and down. Very good. Let's proceed to small r. Down and curve. One more time. Down, curve. Great. Down, curve. Last one. Down, curve. Very good. Let's proceed to our last activity. It says in here, color all the letter Q's of blue and color all the letter R of red. Great job. Fill in all the white boxes of letter Q with color blue. Now let's proceed to letter R. R. Color all the letter R's with red. Great job. That you are done, let's proceed to our topic next time. The sound of letter S.